What if I told you Amazon just dropped its biggest Prime Day kitchen cuts of the year, with one deal sitting at a ridiculous 70% off? While everyone fights over the same headline gadgets, I pulled the 30 smartest kitchen deals actually worth your cart right now. Stick around, because the deepest one is hiding in the middle. Number 30. Instant Pot Duo Plus. Was $139, now $69. Kicking things off, the Instant Pot Duo Plus replaces 9 appliances with one 6-quart pot, pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice maker, and steamer across 15 one-touch programs. Perfect for busy families, meal preppers, soup season, and weeknight dinners. It takes a few minutes to build pressure, though it still outpaces your stovetop. I'd grab this one first without overthinking it. Up next, raw power that turns prep into seconds. Number 29. Ninja Kitchen System BL770 was $219, now $129. The Ninja Kitchen System packs 1500 watts behind a full-size pitcher and an 8-cup processor bowl, so it blends, chops, and kneads dough without swapping machines. Great for smoothies, salsa, frozen drinks, pizza dough, and big batch meal prep. The base claims real counter space, but it quietly replaces 3 separate appliances. Serious power for the money! Coffee lovers, mornings just got easier. Number 28. Keurig K-Duo Hot and was $219, now $149. The Keurig K-Duo settles the cup versus pot debate. Brew a single K-cup or a full 12-cup carafe from one 72-ounce reservoir, hot or over ice. Ideal for split households, busy mornings, weekend guests, and iced coffee season. It's bulkier than a basic pod brewer, though no rival hands you both a quick cup and a carafe. Easy yes at this price. Hang tight, the savings get serious here. Number 27. Aeitto 3-in-1 Cold Press was $324, now $129. The Aeitto Cold Press Juicer runs 3 jobs: juice, nut milk, and sorbet, through a 6-inch wide mouth that swallows whole apples without pre-chopping. Built for cleanse fans, smoothie haters, dairy-free milk makers, and frozen dessert lovers. Cleanup takes a minute, though the filter-free design rinses faster than most masticating models. One of the cleanest steals on this list. Cleaner water, coming right up. Number 26. Brita Large 10-cup water was $44, now $24. The Brita Large pitcher holds 10 cups and cuts twice the contaminants of a standard filter, so chlorine taste and odor disappear from the very first pour. Perfect for renters, offices, big families, and anyone stuck on hard city water. You'll swap filters every couple of months, but the taste upgrade is instant. Hard to argue with at this price. Soup season just found its shortcut. Number 25. Braun MultiQuick 7 Immersion was $109, now $71. The Braun MultiQuick 7 is 3 tools in one: immersion blender, chopper, and whisk. So you puree soup right in the pot and skip the messy transfer. Handy for soups, smoothies, sauces, baby food, and whipped cream. You hold it the whole time, though that hands-on control is exactly the point. Crazy value for a name you trust. Knife lovers, this one's calling you. Number 24. Ninja NeverDull 14-piece knife was $359, now $199. The Ninja NeverDull set arrives 14 pieces deep, with a sharpener built right into the block that hones each blade every time you pull it out. A dream for home cooks, meal preppers, weekend hosts, and anyone tired of sawing tomatoes. The block is chunky on the counter, but it keeps every edge razor-ready for years. Genuinely unfair pricing here. Stay close. This next one genuinely got me excited. Number 23. GreenPan Frost Ice Cream was $399, now $174. The GreenPan Frost churns real soft serve, sorbet, slushies, and milkshakes in 15 minutes flat. No pre-freezing, with 6 modes and 7 textures to dial in. Built for families, summer parties, keto eaters, and milkshake nights. It hums while it works, though 15 minutes later, you're scooping genuine soft serve. I lit up the second that first swirl curled out. Coming up, strong coffee without the weight. Number 22. Chefman Caffeinator Single Serve was $159, now $79. The Chefman Caffeinator brews K-cups or your own grounds, with strength settings and an iced button that keeps cold coffee from tasting watery. Great for solo drinkers, dorm rooms, small offices, and iced coffee regulars. It only brews 1 cup at a time, but the strength control finally makes pod coffee taste bold. Tough value to beat this week. Brace yourself. This blender means business. Number 21. Vitamix Propel 750 Blender was $629, now $374. The Vitamix Propel 750 hides 4 preset programs and aircraft-grade blades inside a 64-ounce container, then self-cleans itself in about 60 seconds. Made for smoothies, hot soup from cold produce, nut butter, and frozen desserts. It roars at full speed, though it'll pulverize anything you dare drop in. There's no smarter long-term blender buy on this list. Juice fans, whole apples meet their match. Number 20. Breville Juice Fountain Plus was $149, now $94. The Breville Juice Fountain Plus pushes 850 watts through a 3-inch chute that swallows whole apples, so juicing takes seconds instead of endless chopping. Perfect for morning juice, big weekend batches, beginners, and produce drawer cleanups. There are a few parts to rinse, but that wide chute saves all the prep work. Hard to beat for a first juicer. Grill masters, this one watches the meat for you. Number 19. GoveeLife Smart Wireless Meat was $99, now $56. The GoveeLife wireless thermometer drops 2 probes into your cook and pings your phone the moment dinner hits temperature, accurate within roughly 2 degrees. Made for grillers, smokers, oven roasts, and deep fry nights. You'll keep the base charged, though going wireless means no more cracking the oven door to check. Smart insurance against overcooked dinners. Dessert's about to get dangerously easy. Number 18. H-Duka 10-in-1 Ice Cream was $299, now $129. The H-Duka frozen treat maker runs 800 watts across 10 modes, churning gelato, sorbet, and slushies, with a respin button that rescues any icy batch into creamy. Great for families, keto and vegan eaters, mix-in fans, and milkshake lovers. You freeze the pint ahead overnight, though the payoff is dense, scoopable texture. 3 pints included sweetens an already strong deal. An extra burner anywhere you need it. Number 17. Nuwave Flex Precision Induction was $99, now $59. The Nuwave Flex Induction cooktop dials in 45 exact temperatures from 100 to 500 degrees, heating faster and cooler to the touch than any open burner. Ideal for dorms, RVs, an extra holiday burner, and precise sauce or candy work. It only works with magnetic cookware, but the precision and safety make up for it. Smart pickup at this number. Don't blink, value's about to spike. Number 16. Hamilton Beach Power Elite was $39, now $23. The Hamilton Beach Power Elite spins 700 watts through a 40-ounce glass jar with 12 functions and wave action that pulls chunks down for smooth blends every time. Great for smoothies, frozen drinks, soups, salsa, and budget kitchens. It won't tackle stiff nut butter, though for everyday blending, it's a true workhorse. Seriously hard to beat right now. Stay with me, the next one's my kind of splurge. Number 15. DeLonghi Magnifica Evo Next was $1,099, now $699. The DeLonghi Magnifica Evo Next grinds fresh beans and froths milk, pulling espresso, latte, cappuccino, americano, even cold brew at one touch. Made for espresso devotees, latte lovers, entertainers, and cafe quitters. It asks for a little daily cleaning, but it turns your counter into a coffee bar. If I were treating myself to one thing here, it'd be this. Coming up, a whole kitchen in one box. Number 14. CAROTE 19-piece ceramic cookware was $79, now $39. The CAROTE set stacks 19 pieces with one detachable handle that clicks onto every pan, so pots nest down small and slide straight from stovetop to oven. Perfect for tiny kitchens, RV cooking, oven-to-table dinners, and new movers. You'll treat the ceramic gently, though it releases food with barely a drop of oil. A whole kitchen for a steal. Pizza night, sorted. Number 13. Chefman Everything Maker and Was $59, now $39. The Chefman Everything Maker heats 1440 watts across 12-inch non-stick plates, baking fresh pizza, omelets, quesadillas, and more in minutes. Great for pizza night, quick breakfasts, after-school snacks, and small families. It cooks one 12-inch round at a time, but it stores upright to save every inch of counter. A no-brainer at this discount. Slicing's about to get scary fast. Number 12. Dash Safe Slice Mandoline. Was $49, now $25. The Dash Safe Slice Mandoline carries more than 30 thickness presets behind a dial, with a built-in handguard that keeps fingers far from the blade. Made for meal prep, crisp salads, homemade chips, gratins, and quick garnishes. The guard takes a second to load, though it saves your knuckles every single slice. Crazy value for the prep it saves. Hang tight, this discount is almost unfair. Number 11. Precision Pro 95 kPa Vacuum. Was $319, now $99. The Precision Pro Vacuum Sealer pulls 95 kilopascals through a dual pump, with a built-in cutter and bag roll, so you size bags as you go. Perfect for meal preppers, sous vide cooks, freezer storage, and bulk buyers. You'll restock bags eventually, but it seals dry and moist foods airtight in seconds. Nothing here quietly pays you back like this one. Up next, an oven that does it all. Number 10. Ninja French Door Premier. Was $279, now $179. The Ninja French Door Oven runs 10 functions inside a 20-quart cavity, roomy enough for a whole chicken beside a sheet pan, with doors that swing open one-handed. Built for big families, holiday spreads, air frying, and batch baking. It claims real counter space, though it replaces your toaster oven and air fryer at once. Big capacity, smart price. 4 probes, 0 guesswork. Almost here. Number 9. Chef EcoSense Wireless. Was $249, now $147. The Chef EcoSense slides 4 ultra-thin probes into your cook and streams temperatures to your phone over unlimited Wi-Fi range. Safe all the way to 1,000 degrees. Made for barbecue, smoking, big roasts, and multi-dish dinners. You charge the dock between cooks, but 4 probes track 4 cuts at once with 0 guesswork. Smart money at this price. Don't move! The deal I teased is finally here. Number 8. 4-slice dual touchscreen toaster. Was $299, now $89. And here it is, the deal I teased earlier, the deepest cut in the whole video. This 4-slice toaster runs 2 touchscreens and 1800 watts, so bagels and waffles each toast their own way. Great for big families, brunch, and busy mornings. The screens take a day to learn, though nothing toasts 2 foods 2 ways like it. I keep returning to this as the steal here. If this steal is the one you'd grab, smash that like and tell me in the comments. Coming up, drinks that stay hot for hours. Number 7. Zojirushi Stainless Steel Mug. Was $49, now $25. The Zojirushi Stainless Mug vacuum seals 16 ounces and holds your drink hot or cold for hours, with a flip lid that locks tight against spills in a bag. Perfect for commuters, desk workers, travel days, and trail hikes. You'll hand wash the lid pieces, but nothing on your desk keeps temperature this long. Genuinely premium for what it costs now. Counter space, meet your savior. Number 6. Ninja SP151 Air Fryer. Was $249, now $149. The Ninja SP151 folds 8 functions and 1800 watts into one combo, then flips up and away to hand your counter back when you're done. Great for small kitchens, air frying, toasting, baking, and quick reheats. The flip hinge feels stiff at first, though that's what frees your counter so cleanly. One of the smartest small kitchen buys here. Restaurant steak at home. Keep watching. Number 5. Breville Joule Turbo Sous. Was $249, now $142. The Breville Joule Turbo heats your water bath to an exact degree, and, in turbo mode, gets there twice as fast for restaurant-perfect results hands-off. Made for steak, eggs, chicken, and big batch cooks. It leans on your phone to run, but it nails doneness edge to edge every single time. Pro-level cooking for a fraction of the usual cost. Freshness you can take anywhere. Number 4. NimbleFresh Portable Vacuum Sealer was $25, now $12. The NimbleFresh cordless sealer pulls 50 kilopascals of suction from a rechargeable handheld body. And 10 starter bags mean you're sealing leftovers the minute it lands. Handy for lunches, snacks, sous vide, travel, and tiny kitchens. It's gentler than a big countertop unit, though it tucks in a drawer and goes anywhere. Brilliant little grab at this price. Gym bag blender incoming. Number 3. Ninja Blast Max Portable was $99, now $69. The Ninja Blast Max blends a 22-ounce serving cordless with 3 programs strong enough to crush ice into a smoothie wherever you are. Perfect for the gym, the office, road trips, and single-serve shakes. It won't blend for a crowd, but it powers through frozen fruit and pours straight into the lid you carry. Smart grab-and-go value here. Homemade ice cream, almost here. Number 2. BLACK+DECKER Ice Cream Maker was $219, now $129. The BLACK+DECKER Ice Cream Maker churns a creamy pint at home and lets you stir mix-ins right as it spins, from protein to keto to dairy-free. Great for families, kids, healthy dessert fans, and weekend treats. You freeze the bowl ahead of time, though after that, a fresh pint comes together in minutes. Sweet little deal to round things out. And here we are, the last one. The single deal I'd rank above everything else here. If you grab one thing, make it this. Number 1. Instant Vortex Plus Air was $149, now $69. And the top spot goes to the Instant Vortex Plus. 6-in-1 cooking that air fries, roasts, bakes, broils, dehydrates, and reheats in one 6-quart basket. Perfect for weeknight dinners, crispy fries, wings, vegetables, and fast reheats. The basket cooks one family batch at a time, but cleanup is dishwasher simple. It earns number 1 because it's the rare deal that's genuinely useful every single day and turns out crispy, drool-worthy food on camera at a price this far below normal. This is the one I'd actually put in my own kitchen. And that's our 30 best Amazon Prime Day kitchen deals. A lightning tour through the upgrades actually worth your cart. If one earned a spot on your list, smash that like. Subscribe for the next round of Prime Day drops. Share it with a friend who loves a deal. And comment your favorite below. More drops all week. Stay close.